Imagine standing on Tower Bridge, one of London's most iconic landmarks. Feel the gentle breeze coming off the River Thames as you prepare to witness a spectacle of color and light. As the sun sets over London, the sky transforms into a canvas of breathtaking hues, painting a picture that will forever be etched in your memory. The sky glows with orange, a warm and inviting embrace that seems to stretch endlessly across the horizon. It's a moment of pure serenity, a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of the city below, pink and purple, blending together in a harmonious dance of color. These vibrant shades reflect off the water, creating a mesmerizing display that is both captivating and calming. And the Thames below mirrors the city's first twinkling lights. The river becomes a shimmering ribbon of light, reflecting the energy and vibrancy of London as it transitions from day to night. To your left, the Shard rises, a modern marvel of glass and steel, piercing the sky with its sleek silhouette. It stands as a testament to London's innovative spirit and its embrace of the future. To your right, the Tower of London stands watch. A historic fortress steeped in centuries of history, it serves as a reminder of London's rich past and its enduring legacy. This is more than a view. It's a panorama of history, innovation, and culture, all converging in one breathtaking scene. It's the spirit of London, a vibrant and dynamic energy that permeates every corner of this incredible city, where history and modern life blend seamlessly. Ancient architecture stands proudly alongside contemporary designs, creating a unique and captivating urban landscape. You feel the city's pulse, a constant rhythm of activity that keeps London alive and buzzing, the hum of traffic, a symphony of engines and horns that creates a unique urban soundtrack. Distant clock chimes echoing through the air, marking the passage of time in this historic city, and voices from around the world, a melting pot of cultures and languages. London welcomes people from all walks of life. London isn't just monuments, it's a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving and reinventing itself. It's alive, full of stories waiting for you. Every street corner, every hidden alleyway holds a secret waiting to be discovered. As the last sunlight fades, the city lights begin to twinkle, casting a magical glow over the landscape. You join a long line of people, generations of visitors who have been captivated by London's charm and allure. Kings, artists, travelers, all have stood in this very spot, marveling at the beauty and grandeur of London, who've stood here before. Their stories are woven into the fabric of this city, adding to its rich and complex tapestry. Now it's your turn to become part of London's story, to add your own chapter to its ever-evolving narrative. Whether it's your first visit, filled with wide-eyed wonder and a sense of discovery, or your 50th, each visit offering new perspectives and deeper connections, this moment is timeless and personal, a moment to reflect, to appreciate, and to connect with something larger than yourself. Take a deep breath and let it sink in. Allow the energy of London to wash over you, invigorating your senses and inspiring your soul. This is why we travel, to experience moments like these, moments that transcend the ordinary and connect us to something profound. For moments that connect us to a place and its people, forging bonds that last a lifetime. London in 2025 is ready for you, a city that embraces the future while honoring its past, blending old and new in every corner. From historic pubs to cutting-edge art galleries, London offers a diverse range of experiences. From this bridge, your adventure begins, a journey of discovery and exploration that will lead you to hidden gems and iconic landmarks. The city offers endless opportunities to immerse yourself in its culture, its history, and its vibrant atmosphere. For exploration, learning, and fun. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or simply looking for a good time, London has something for everyone. Let's explore London together, hand in hand, discovering the secrets and wonders of this incredible city. One neighborhood, each with its own unique character and charm, waiting to be explored. One museum filled with treasures and artifacts that tell the story of human civilization, one memory at a time, creating moments that will stay with you long after you've left this magical place. Welcome to London, a city that will capture your heart and ignite your imagination. Your story here is just beginning, a blank page waiting to be filled with unforgettable experiences. The city invites you to discover its magic, to lose yourself in its labyrinthine streets and uncover its hidden treasures. Let's get started. The adventure awaits. London in 2025 is not just a city. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving experience, more vibrant and accessible than ever before. It's a place where history whispers from ancient stones, while the future unfolds in gleaming skyscrapers and innovative designs. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first international adventure, London welcomes you with open arms and a wealth of opportunities. The city buzzes with a renewed energy, a palpable excitement that permeates every street corner and hidden alleyway. You can feel the pulse of innovation, the rhythm of creativity, and the hum of a city constantly reinventing itself. It's perfect for first-timers eager to soak in the iconic landmarks and seasoned visitors seeking fresh perspectives and hidden gems. There's always something new to discover, a different angle to explore, and a unique story to uncover. Navigating this global hub is easier than you might think. English is everywhere, spoken by locals and understood by visitors from around the globe. And with the expanded Elizabeth line, getting around is a breeze, connecting you to all corners of the city with speed and efficiency. This modern transportation marvel makes exploring different neighborhoods and attractions seamless and stress-free. London's magic lies in its constant reinvention, a city that honors its past while embracing the future with open arms. New restaurants offering culinary delights from every corner of the globe, vibrant art installations, and exciting new neighborhoods await your exploration. Each corner holds a surprise, a new experience waiting to be discovered. Start your day exploring the remnants of a Roman wall, a tangible link to the city's ancient past, and end it immersed in a cutting-edge art installation, pushing the boundaries of creativity and imagination. Sustainability is a priority, woven into the fabric of the city's development and future plans. You'll find more green spaces offering tranquil escapes from the urban hustle, pedestrian zones encouraging exploration on foot, and a growing number of eco-friendly businesses committed to a sustainable future. London's diversity shines brightly in its incredible food scene, vibrant music scene, and rich cultural tapestry, allowing you to travel the world without ever leaving the city limits. It's a place of captivating contrasts, where historic landmarks stand proudly alongside modern skyscrapers, a city that is both bustling with activity and offering moments of peaceful serenity. Enjoy a free museum in the morning, immersing yourself in art, history, and culture, and then experience the magic of a West End show at night. London caters to every interest and budget, ensuring that everyone can find something to enjoy. In 2025, it truly has something for everyone, regardless of your background, interests, or budget. Come and discover a city that's always new, always exciting, and always ready to welcome you. London's iconic landmarks are a must-see for any visitor. These world-renowned sites offer a glimpse into the city's rich history and vibrant culture. From majestic palaces to historic towers, London's skyline is dotted with architectural marvels that have stood the test of time. Prepare to be captivated by the grandeur and charm of these must-visit destinations. Begin your journey with the Tower of London, a historic castle steeped in tales of royalty, imprisonment, and intrigue. This imposing fortress has served as a royal residence, a prison, and even a treasury throughout its long and storied history. To make the most of your visit, arrive early, especially during peak season. Beat the crowds and secure your spot to explore this iconic landmark at your own pace. Be sure to see the dazzling crown jewels, a breathtaking collection of royal regalia that symbolizes the power and majesty of the British monarchy. Marvel at the intricate craftsmanship and historical significance of these priceless treasures. Enhance your experience by joining a yeoman warder tour. These charismatic guides, also known as beefeaters, will regale you with captivating stories and historical insights that bring the tower's past to life. Their colorful anecdotes and insider knowledge will leave you spellbound. Take a walk along the ancient walls and let your imagination transport you to centuries past. Picture the knights, kings, and queens who once walked these very grounds, shaping the course of British history. Next, make your way to Westminster, the political heart of London, and home to some of the city's most iconic landmarks. This historic area is a must-see for anyone interested in British history and government. Prepare to be awestruck by the grandeur of Westminster Abbey, a magnificent Gothic church that has witnessed countless royal coronations, weddings, and funerals. Its stunning architecture and rich history make it a truly unforgettable sight. From there, cross over to the Houses of Parliament, the seat of British government, and marvel at the iconic Big Ben clock tower. This architectural masterpiece is a symbol of London and a testament to the city's enduring legacy. Take a moment to listen for the chimes of Big Ben, a quintessential London experience that will stay with you long after you've left. The sound of the bells echoing across the city is a reminder of London's timeless charm. Continue your exploration with a leisurely stroll to Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch. This grand palace is a symbol of royal power and a must-see for any visitor to London. If your timing is right, be sure to catch the changing of the guard ceremony, a colorful display of military precision and pageantry that is a true spectacle to behold. The vibrant uniforms and synchronized movements are a sight to remember. For a completely different perspective of the city, ascend to the heights of the London Eye. Take a ride on this iconic observation wheel, which offers breathtaking panoramic views of London's skyline. From this vantage point, you'll be treated to sweeping city views that stretch for miles in every direction. To avoid long queues, it's highly recommended to book your tickets in advance. This will save you valuable time and allow you to make the most of your visit. The London Eye's slow and steady rotation provides ample time to soak in the stunning scenery and identify famous landmarks from above. Don't forget to bring your camera and snap plenty of photos to capture these unforgettable moments. And while you're in London, don't miss the opportunity to explore the city's world-class and often free museums. Start with the British Museum, home to a vast collection of artifacts from around the world, or delve into the wonders of the natural world at the Natural History Museum, and immerse yourself in art and design at the Victoria and Albert Museum. With so much to see, it's best to pick one or two museums and take your time to wander through the galleries, marvel at the exhibits, and be amazed by the treasures on display. These iconic sites offer a unique connection to London's rich past and vibrant present, showcasing the city's evolution over centuries. Each landmark has its own unique story to tell, offering a glimpse into the events and personalities that have shaped London into the city it is today. As you explore these iconic landmarks, let the city's history and culture inspire your own adventure and create memories that will last a lifetime. London's captivating history is waiting to be discovered, offering a journey through time that will leave you with a deeper appreciation for this remarkable city. Remember to take your time, soak in the atmosphere, and savor every moment as you explore London's iconic landmarks. The city's wonders are ready to welcome you, promising an unforgettable experience filled with history, culture, and breathtaking sights. Beyond the icons, London's neighborhoods reveal its true character. Head to Shoreditch for vibrant street art, vintage shops, and creative energy. Wander Brick Lane for murals and global flavors. In Notting Hill, stroll past pastel houses and browse Portobello Road Market. Find a cafe, relax, and watch the world go by. Walk the South Bank from Tower Bridge to the London Eye, past Shakespeare's Globe, Tate Modern, and lively street performers. Enjoy riverside views and pop-up markets. For green space, visit Hampstead and explore Hampstead Heath's wild beauty. Climb Parliament Hill for stunning city views. Wander Hampstead's charming streets, historic pubs, and cozy bakeries. Each neighborhood offers a unique slice of London life. Discover the city's hidden gems. London is a food lover's paradise with flavors from every corner of the globe. Start at Borough Market. Graze on gourmet cheeses, fresh pasta, and street food. Try classic British dishes, fish and chips with mushy peas or a hearty Sunday roast. Book a pub table for Sunday lunch. It's a local favorite. Explore Brick Lane for top-notch curry, or Brixton Village for Caribbean and African eats. London's diversity shines in its food scene. For a special treat, indulge in afternoon tea, scones, cakes, and finger sandwiches at a grand hotel or cozy cafe. There's something delicious for every taste and budget. Eat your way through London's markets, pubs, and hidden gems. Every meal is an adventure. Savor the city's flavors. London's art scene is world-class and endlessly varied. Catch a West End show, musicals, Shakespeare, or new plays in historic theaters. For live music, choose from legendary arenas or intimate clubs. Classical fans shouldn't miss a concert at Royal Albert Hall. Explore free art at Tate Modern, Tate Britain, and the National Gallery. Discover independent galleries, the South Bank Centre, or a film at the Electric Cinema. London's creative energy is everywhere. Step beyond the big names and find your new favorite. The city's culture is yours to explore. Let London inspire you. London's public transport makes exploring easy. Use the Tube or iconic red buses. Just tap your contactless card or phone. Journey planner apps like City Mapper help you navigate in real time. Book accommodation early. Central areas are convenient but pricey. Consider neighborhoods like Islington or Paddington for better value and local charm. Many museums are free. Take advantage. Look for lunch deals to save money. Pack a raincoat and comfy shoes. London weather is unpredictable and you'll walk a lot. Plan ahead for attractions and transport. Make the most of every moment in the city. London fits every travel style, budget, family, or luxury. Save with free museums, street performers, and picnics in royal parks. Families love the Natural History Museum, Science Museum, and boat rides on the Thames. Book Harry Potter studio tour tickets early for a magical day. For luxury, stay at iconic hotels, dine at Michelin-starred restaurants, and shop Bond Street. Support local businesses and travel sustainably. Use public transport and reusable bottles. Many attractions are eco-certified so you can travel responsibly. Thoughtful choices help preserve London's magic. Enjoy the city your way. London is the perfect base for exploring England's highlights. Take a train to Windsor Castle, tour royal apartments, and stroll the historic town. Visit Stonehenge and Bath for ancient wonders and Georgian elegance. Walk Roman baths, then enjoy tea in Bath's charming streets. Explore Oxford or Cambridge for academic history and stunning architecture. Punting on the river or touring colleges brings these towns to life. For seaside fun, head to Brighton and enjoy the pier, quirky shops in Pebble Beach. Each day trip offers a new side of English culture. Trains make it easy, just hop on and go. Expand your adventure beyond the city. England's treasures are closer than you think. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing travel guides. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. See you in the next video.